Hello, my name is Atusa, and on behalf of InfoMarine, it is my pleasure to welcome you to this training video. In this training, we will demonstrate to you how to use the Marvib DC800 system step by step. You will learn the key safety rules, how the Marvib system works, how to install the measuring points, and how to perform the measurements correctly. Remember, accurate measurements are essential for reliable diagnostics and safe vessel operation. Let's get started. Before starting any measurement, ensure that the work area is safe and that all required personal protective equipment is being used. Always follow the safety rules in force on the vessel, the permit to work requirements, and the instructions of the responsible crew member. Before entering the work area, ensure that all necessary permits have been issued and approved, including the permit to work where required. Do not touch rotating parts, shafts, couplings, fans, or hot surfaces. Maintain a safe distance from operating machinery throughout the entire measurement process. If the measurement point is difficult to access or the work area is unsafe, do not improvise. Stop the work and request support from the responsible person on board or from InfoMarine. This training demonstrates how to perform vibration measurements using the Marvib DC808 or DC810 system. The set consists of a rack tablet, a wireless vibration sensor, magnetic bases, three types of metal points, and, depending on the installation, a docking station for automatic data transfer. The crew's role is not to analyze vibration spectra. Their role is to perform each measurement correctly, in the proper location, and under the appropriate machine operating conditions. Repeatability is key. Measurements should be taken at the same point, in the same way, and using the same method every time. This allows InfoMarine analysts to monitor trends and detect changes in the technical condition of the machinery. For the self-installation of metal measurement points by the crew, InfoMarine provides necessary elements such as metal points, a grinding tool, a glue applicator, two-component adhesive, a mixing nozzle, mounting wedges, and clips. Please remember that degreasing agents and electric drills for surface preparation are not supplied by InfoMarine and should be provided locally unless agreed otherwise. Vibration measurements can be performed in two basic ways: through a fixed metal measurement point or by using a magnetic base. The preferred method for regular measurements in the CBM system is a fixed metal measurement point. It ensures the best repeatability because the sensor is positioned in the same place every single time. The magnetic method can be used when a fixed measurement point is not installed or when a temporary measurement is required. When using a magnet, the surface must be clean, flat, metallic, and rigid. Measurements should not be taken on loose guards, thin sheet metal, pipes, damaged paint, corrosion, or unstable surfaces. If there is any doubt regarding the method or the location of the measurement, add a photo and describe the situation in the measurement card. Measurement points should be located on rigid parts of the machine housing as close as possible to the bearing locations. For electric motors, typical locations are the bearing areas on the drive end and non-drive end. For pump units, points are usually located on the motor and pump bearing housings. The exact location must comply with the measurement structure prepared by InfoMarine for the specific vessel and specific machinery. Do not move measurement points without confirmation. Changing the location can break the vibration trend and prevent reliable comparison with previous measurements. Accurate vibration measurement largely depends on the correct installation of the sensor. Glued metal measurement points provide a rigid and repeatable connection between the sensor and the machine, guaranteeing reliable results. Before mounting a metal measurement point, confirm that the selected location complies with the measurement procedure prepared by InfoMarine. To increase the adhesive's grip, the surface should be lightly ground. This helps remove paint, dirt, and the oxidized layer from the contact area. After grinding, the surface should be cleaned and degreased. Ensure it is dry before applying the glue. Glue should be applied to the designated surfaces on the metal point. Then, place the point in the prepared location. Depending on the mounting location and access, use clips or wedges to ensure correct installation and keep the point stable while the glue sets. Before gluing, ensure the mounting point is correctly oriented. Once glued, the position cannot be changed. The point should be firmly attached, correctly positioned, and fully seated on the prepared surface. After installing the measurement point, do not remove the clips or wedges immediately. The glue needs 10 to 15 minutes to set. After the initial setting, you can remove the clips or wedges, but do not use the measurement point right away. The adhesive needs about 24 hours to cure fully before the point can safely support the sensor. If the point is used too early, it may come off or provide unreliable measurement results. It is recommended to prepare all surfaces and mounting points before starting the gluing process, as the two-component glue begins to harden inside the mixing nozzle within about 10 minutes. Place the wireless sensor on the metal measurement point and ensure it is stable. Remember to turn the sensor 90 degrees so that the points align. The sensor should not be held by hand during measurement. After correctly positioning the sensor, remove your hand and do not touch it until the measurement is finished. Start the measurement from the application and wait for it to complete. Do not move, rotate, or press the sensor during the measurement. Any movement can disturb the result and reduce the repeatability. Once the application indicates that the data is being transferred from the sensor to the tablet, the sensor can be safely removed from the point. You may proceed to the next device in the application only after the data transfer is complete. Before starting a measurement, scan the QR code assigned to the machine. The QR code will automatically open the correct machine and reduce the risk of selecting the wrong device. Ensure the machine displayed in the application matches the machine in front of you. If the QR code is dirty, damaged, or cannot be scanned, clean it and try again. If scanning is still not possible, verify the data and manually select the correct machine from the device list on the tablet. Do not proceed if you're not certain that the selected machine is correct. Add a comment or contact the responsible person. The measurement card provides analysts with the operational context needed for the correct interpretation of vibration data. Fill in all required fields according to the application and measurement procedure. Depending on the machine, these may include operating status, load, RPM, motor current, temperature, or other information required in the measurement card. If the machine was operating under unusual conditions, add a short comment. For example, low load, standby pump test, unusual noise, leak, missing point, or measurement taken with a magnet. Do not leave required information blank if it is available on the vessel. A lack of context may limit the quality of the analysis. Photos are an important part of the measurement structure. They show where the measurement points should be located on a given machine. The application can display a reference photo showing where the measurement should be taken. These facilitates work and helps maintain repeatability, especially when different crew members perform the same measurement route over time. If the actual machine does not match the photo, or if the measurement point is missing, damaged, or difficult to access, add a comment and follow the established procedure. The docking base is an excellent solution enabling the automatic transfer of measurement data to InfoMarine. This is a good solution when Wi-Fi in the engine room is unavailable, weak, or unstable. In the basic configuration, there are no special network requirements. Just connect the docking station to the network, provided there are no additional security measures or restrictions on the vessel's network. After completing measurements, place the tablet in the docking base. When the docking station is connected to the vessel's network, the tablet automatically sends the measurement data to InfoMarine. The tablet remains in constant communication with InfoMarine and can also receive additional notifications or instructions. The docking station charges the tablet at the same time, so it is ready for the next measurement route. If the tablet is connected to Wi-Fi, measurement data can also be sent over the wireless network. The Wi-Fi connection setup is the same as on any Android device. Open the Wi-Fi settings, select the network, and enter the password if required. The application confirms successful data transmission with an appropriate message. If a measurement point is missing, damaged, or has come off, do not take the measurement in a random place. Follow the established procedure and add a clear comment. If the QR code cannot be scanned, clean it and try again. If it still doesn't work, manually select the correct machine only after confirming its data. If the machine is operating under an unusual load or is not available for measurement, these should be recorded in the measurement card. If the sensor is unstable, do not hold it by hand during measurement. It should be positioned correctly or an approved alternative method should be used. If measurement data transmission via the API fails, check whether the tablet is connected to the internet and then retry sending the data. In an emergency situation, measurement data can be saved as a zip file in the tablet's memory. The detailed process for saving and sending measurements as a zip file is covered in a separate training segment. To summarize our training, always select the correct machine, follow the measurement structure, and use the correct measurement point. Do not hold the wireless sensor during measurement. Position it correctly, move your hand away, and wait for the measurement to complete. Complete the measurement card and always add comments whenever the machine condition or measurement situation is unusual. Use photos and reference images to confirm the correct measurement location. After finishing the route, ensure the data has been correctly sent to InfoMarine via the docking station or Wi-Fi. Correct and repeatable measurements help InfoMarine analysts detect machine issues earlier and support reliable condition-based maintenance.